Hey guys, it's Oscar. How you doing? I'm back with a Shave of the Day recap, a couple new items in the den, and another giveaway. That's right. So stay tuned till I tell you how to get in the giveaway. First, a new acquisition in the den. I did a little video. My last video was about this brush, and I've used it once before, but I used it during a night shave, and I didn't have time to post a picture or anything, or even really to talk about it. But this was actually my second use with this bad boy right here, this Ever Ready 300 Restore by J.R. Reyes. Reyes Restores on Instagram. Reyes Restores. And I showed you in the other video just how this was a estate sale pickup. So when I picked this up, it was just, it was old, it was nasty. It had build-up here, everything was dirty, the clear part was stained up. But I mean, JR, just look how, I mean, I say brilliant because it's just sparkles, it seems like, man. It's just amazing. And of course, the work is brilliant. So anyway, and he did a really good job on the cleanup of the black part. And this is a brush. We were back and forth with brushes, like I said, and look how it bloomed. It bloomed out. Things fantastic. This is an elite two-band, an elite shaving two-band. So this isn't even like, silver tip or whatever, but it feels amazing. It really does. It's a little dense. There's a lot of fibers packed in there. It's kind of dense, and the tips feel amazing. So that takes a little getting used to, is the density of it, and just, I mean, it's fantastic. This is amazing work by J.R. Reyes Restores. And the software was from Peter Sarkalis, the Grecian horse. This stuff just, I mean, it's a thirsty soap because it's a new version, so you got to keep that in mind when you're using it. So with that new brush and just getting everything dialed in, you just add a little water little by little, and the lather just becomes amazing. Grecian horse. This is a collaboration with Hani Hafez at Alexandria Fragrances, who will be at the San Diego meetup, and he will be donating several bottles of his different fragrances for raffle. So if you haven't signed up for San Diego meetup, please do. We'd love to see as many people there as possible. So again, Grecian Horse collaboration, Ariana and Evans, Peter Sarkalis with Hani Hafez, Alexandria Fragrances. This is actually the name of Hani's fragrance as well, Grecian Horse, that the soap was inspired by. So it should be easy to match up. And of course, the soap with the aftershave. All right, so this is, I'm a big fan of the dupes, of the fragrance dupes. Now, this is kind of a two-step dupe because this Grecian Horse, the soap, is a takeoff of, again, Alexandria Fragrances Grecian Horse, which is also a duplication of this. This is Pegasus by Parfums de Marly. Now, this is a tester, so I'm actually able to read off the scent pyramid for you. On the top is bergamot, heliotrope, and caraway. So right away you get a citrus plus a spiciness, citrus spiciness with the caraway, providing a little bit of spiciness. In the middle, lavender, bitter almond, and jasmine. So a little bit of a flowery, but you get that kind of that almondy. And if you've kind of smelled some of the soaps like Cella and some of those older almond-based kind of soaps, this is going to be very familiar to you. So that bitter almond, and along with the heliotrope, that is going to kind of provide that almondy kind of scent to it. But on the base, you have amber, vanilla, sandalwood. I'm a big fan of amber and vanilla and sandalwood. So you get that warm, creamy woodiness that just during the dry down just makes it really, really welcoming, almost like you just put a warm blanket around you. And it's not to say that it's necessarily for cold weather. This is very versatile, and the scent lasts really well. And this is on Maria's list of approval. So sometimes she's like, hey, can you wear that? And she even asks if she can wear it. So it is versatile in that sense as well. So this is the giveaway. This will be the giveaway. I will be picking 2 names in a few days, or Michael and I will. And 2 winners will be getting 3 milliliters of Parfums de Marly Pegasus. Okay, so again, this is the inspiration for Hani Hafez's Grecian Horse, which in turn is a collaboration for this soap and aftershave from Ariana and Evans. So if you haven't picked this up, I suggest you try and get it. If you have picked it up, then you know what I'm talking about. All right, all around great shave, killer brush, killer soap and aftershave, and this is topping it all off right now. So again, comment on the video, tell me I'm in, say I'm in, and get you into the drawing for another giveaway. 2 winners, 3 milliliters of Parfums of Pegasus. All right. San Diego meetup, guys. SoCal Wet Shavers Collective. Head on over there. Get accepted into the group. I'm one of the admins. Be happy to accept you in. And get signed up for the event, man. 2 weeks away. We need more bodies on that list. So look forward to seeing everybody. Be well. Peace. Bye.